So if you're looking to free up additional capacity in your shop and be able to get more produced through the shop, manual deburring is a process you should certainly be taking a look at. It's very time consuming. It's not easy on the people that are doing the work. You get inconsistent results. You get inconsistent throughput from one day to the next, where you could look at an automated deburring machine like this that's going to give you consistent results each and every time. It's much, much more efficient and frees up your team members out in the shop for doing more valuable work. So definitely something worth considering to add not only value, but boost the culture and morale in the shop, but increase throughput, increase the efficiency that you can process parts, increase the quality of the parts that you get finished out throughout the shop as well. So first part here is one I spent a couple minutes with a flap wheel on a manual disc grinder on, to get the plasma dross off. Took me a few minutes just to get it to that. And here's 3 parts that I fed through within less than a minute on the deburring machine. Certainly can't compete with that.